Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Dr. Steve here. Happy 2025. I hope this is the best year ever for everybody, personally, business-wise, professionally, physically, health-wise, emotionally, everything. But you know what? If you leave it to chance, we just don't know. What's the best way proven to ensure that this will work, that this will happen, that where you are today and here's where you want to be is going to be a linear, systematic thing, is to set goals correctly and to work to execute them through processes, through accountability, and through help. It's all about the team. So here's what we're going to do. We are setting up a goal setting workshop that will have follow up to help you stay accountable, to help you overcome any bumps you might have, and to just basically make it happen. Okay. Most of you know goals are important, writing them down is important, but it's more than that. It's taking action, it's staying on course, it's moving forward. We are here to help you, but you got to take the first step. Look down here and register. All you got to do is put your name and your email in. You will get into the system, you will get invited to the workshops, you will get everything you need. I promise, everything you need. And there's some freebies down there too for some other things if you want. So I hope, please take advantage of this and we'll see you pretty soon. See you at the workshop. Thank you.